what I call payday stew. This is assorted fish stew. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jenny's Outlet here as usual. If today is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my old returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you always for always coming back to watch me. So today on my menu, I am going to be preparing fish stew. This is an assorted fish stew. So here I have my catfish, I have my pompano and mackerel. Normally I would put more fish in this, but this is what I could find in my freezer. So I'll go ahead and clean this fish with lemon and salt. Okay, that's what I'll be cleaning it with. Normally when I buy fish to put in the freezer, I ask them not to gut it out, because I feel like the fish stays fresher if everything is still intact. So this is the fish. I'll be gutting it by myself, cleaning it to my taste. Okay, I like using lemon and scrubbing the fish thoroughly. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done cleaning. So guys, here I have my fish. The fish has been thoroughly washed where you don't see blood inside and stuff like that. So the fish is washed thoroughly. Okay, here I have my seasoning, curry powder, cumin, salt, seasoning powder, peppers. I have my all-purpose seasoning here, and this is I don't remember the spice. I'm gonna put it for you guys. Here I have my lemon pepper seasoning. Okay, that's what is there. So here I'm just gonna mix everything together. Okay, like add everything goes in. This you can let it marinate for a few hours, but because I do not have time, I have to cook this sharp before leaving. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fry it in my air fryer until it is hard enough to put inside the stew. Okay, yes, that is the end goal, but not to fry it too dry, just to fry it a way that it doesn't pieces inside the stew. Okay, let's go ahead and mix it together. It's seasoned now. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes before frying it in the air fryer. But before then, let's start prepping our other stuff. tomatoes here, blended red bell pepper over here, tin tomatoes, a little bit is a leftover. Sorry about that, that's my fish calling me to check on it. I have my thyme here, seasoning powder, I have my rosemary and salt back there, I have my vegetable oil here, I have my diced onions, I have my curry leaf and my spring onions. These two are from my garden, okay? So let's go ahead and cook. Assorted fish stew. I have pompano, I have catfish, I have mackerel. Normally I would do this stew with red snapper, but I couldn't find red snapper in my freezer, so these are the ones I found in my freezer. Get your plate, okay? Get your rice, your beans, your yam, whatever you want to enjoy this with, and join me, okay? No, no, but no, no,